Cleaning your dog's ears with hydrogen peroxide.
Welcome, pet owners. Today, we're going to discuss a common topic many dog owners encounter: how to safely use hydrogen peroxide for cleaning your dog's ears. It's important to remember that, while hydrogen peroxide can be helpful in certain scenarios, its use should be moderated and should never replace a vet's advice. Let's get started.
Why use hydrogen peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide is a common household product known for its antiseptic properties. This makes it useful in cleaning minor wounds and debriding affected tissues. However, when it comes to our furry friends, it should be used with caution. Hydrogen peroxide can help with wax buildup and minor infections but should not be used for severe ear conditions.
When should you not use hydrogen peroxide?
If your dog has a severe ear infection, a ruptured eardrum, or any other serious ear condition, do not use hydrogen peroxide. Instead, seek immediate veterinary attention. Also, avoid using hydrogen peroxide if your dog has a known allergic reaction to it.
Preparing the hydrogen peroxide solution.
To prepare a hydrogen peroxide solution safe for cleaning your dog's ears, you'll need to dilute the hydrogen peroxide with an equal amount of water. This will create a 50-50 solution that is gentle enough for your dog's delicate ears. 1. Take a small, clean bowl. 2. Pour an equal amount of hydrogen peroxide and water. 3. Stir gently to mix.
Cleaning your dog's ears.
Now we're ready to clean. Here are the steps. 1. Soak a cotton ball in the solution and squeeze out the excess. 2. Gently wipe the inside of your dog's ear flap with the damp cotton ball. Avoid going too deep into the ear canal as it can be harmful. 3. Use a dry cotton ball to remove any excess solution. This can help to minimize irritation. 4. Repeat the process on the other ear if necessary. Important: always provide positive reinforcement to your dog during the process, such as petting and treats, to make it a less stressful experience. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to use hydrogen peroxide for cleaning your dog's ears. Remember, it's always important to consult with your vet before starting any new cleaning regime, and if your dog shows any signs of discomfort or adverse reaction, stop immediately and seek professional help. We hope this video has been helpful, and wish you and your dog many days of healthy, clean ears.